If you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful purse. You can call it a wallet, you can call it a purse. It's 3-in-1 purse. So if this is what you would like to learn how to make, stay to the end. And also at the end of this video, we are going to be dropping some other video at the end of this video, school bag, lunchbox video that you can also learn from. So you are welcome to my channel. So this is what we are going to be learning today. So we need our zipper. Our zipper is 9 inches. We need two of it, 9 inches. Also check the description box for this full measurement. We need our magnetic snap button. We need the 2 sides. Can you see it with the washer? It has 2 sides and the washer. We need Gucci belt. It's a belt for design. You can use any belt to do the design. It's also 9 inches long. And we need our material. Our material, we need 2 pieces of it. The first one is 9x9, while the second one is 9x14. It should be 9x14. The second one 9x14. So now we are going to start sewing. The first thing that we will do is to sew our zipper to both ends on the 9x14 and the 9x9. The 9x9, this is the 9x9. We will sew it on both sides and press stitch it. This is the 9x14. We will just sew it on one side. Can you see it? We will sew it on one side, and then we will now take the 9x9. Can you see it? We will take them 9x9. We will measure 1.5 inch from both sides. On both sides, we will measure 1.5 inches. That is what I am doing right now. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Elijah Alice, and on this channel we do everything bag making. We do everything bag making. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. And then after measuring 1.5 from both sides, you will now go down by 3.5 inches. You will go down by 3.5 inches. Can you see what I'm doing now? When you measure 3.5 inches, then you will now rule. You take your ruler and then rule it. So thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time, then if you are my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. God bless all my returning subscribers. God bless my new subscribers. God bless you. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for always watching our videos. Keep watching our videos. Keep liking. Like this video. Give me a like. Drop your question. Drop your comment in the comment section. If you have any question, if you have any bag that you like to make, lunchbox, school bag, drop it in the comment section and I will attend to you. Then try and make this purse. It's so easy to make. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing? It's so easy to make. Just try and make. Then you send to me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number on the screen. Or if you need it for souvenir, then you can contact us. We'll make them in bulk for you. If you want to sell it, you can contact us. We'll make them in bulk for you, and we can web it within Nigeria. We can web it to you anywhere that you are. So thank you for stopping by. So now you see what I just did. I measure that 3.5 inches. Then look at the way I place it. Then I sew it down. So that center we already have a pocket. So what we are going to do now, after sewing it, then we'll put our zipper pull on it to close it up. That is what we are going to do now. So we have other video at the end of this video. We have some other videos that if you watch to the end, they will pop up. So click on any of them. You can watch and make sure you like any of our video that you are watching. If you don't have a comment, then just give us a like. If you are new, just subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, give us a like and drop a sweet comment. Thank you. So now I'll fix the zipper head. Can you see it? Zipper pull. I'll fix it. So what I'll do, I'll stitch it down on both sides. I'll stitch it down on both sides. That is what I'm going to do now. And also, can you see it? I've done it. So I'm working on the top one. The 9x9 is what I'm working on first. So you work on the 9x9. After you have stitched it like this, before you will now stitch the other one. After you have stitched it on the 9x14. So for the full measurement, check the description box of this video. Below this video, you will see I will drop the full measurement there. So now can you see? So what I'm going to now do now, we now stitch the 9 by 14 on both sides. After stitching them on both sides, then I will now stitch the zipper side. I will just stitch it down that way. So can you see it's still open? So I will now take it to my machine and stitch it down. So I've stitched it. Can you see it? I've stitched it down. So now we have 3 pockets there now. Can you see? That is why we call it 3-in-1 wallet. Can you see? So we have 3 pockets there, 3 space that you can put your card, you can put your phone, you can put your power bank. So now after then, the next thing to do is you will shape the edge. Just shape it by 1/2 inches. You can shape it any shape. I'm just giving a round shape. You can do a V shape, any shape you like, just do. It's okay. It's okay. Any shape you just want to do, you can just do it. So now what I'm doing, I'm using that one side to now shape the other side. So that is what I am doing right now. Have you subscribed? Have you liked? If you have not subscribed, this is a good time to subscribe. So what I'm going to do, I will use this design belt to cover that stitches, which I have done. I will sew it on where that stitches is, that outside stitch, so that it will cover it up. So now after then, this is almost 2 inches, 1.5. Just make it 1.5. Yes, make it 1.5. And then you sew it. The wideness should be 1.5. You sew it on knit like this. So I've sewn it on it. What we are going to do, this the small piece that will fix our magnetic snap. This is a small piece. So we have sewn it. I've sewn it. Can you see I'm trimming up the excess? So after sewing it, that is where we are going to be fixing our magnetic snap. That's where we are going to be fixing it. That very piece that we sew. So but before we fix it, we are going to tape it. So we need on 1 inches bias or belt. So I'm using normal belt. You can use bias. So you will use it to tape it on both sides. The first pulse and then the second one, you will tape it round. Start from the downside and then you go round. So that is what I am going to do right now. So I'm done with it. Can you see? I'm done with it. I've sewn it round. Can you see? So I first sew the top pulse, then I sew the back one like this. So this is how you sew it. So when you finish sewing it like this, that you will now take your magnetic snap and then you will start fixing it the way you will see me do it. So if you have watched to this extent, you are my real VIP. Thank you so much for always encouraging us. We are happy and we are so grateful. Thank you. God bless you. If you have watched to this extent, thank you very much. So I'm going to be dropping other videos for you to learn from. If you have any question, just send me your question. Just drop it under the comment section. If you need materials, you want us to help you to buy materials, maybe your area you don't have materials, maybe the market is not close to you, you can also contact us. We can supply material, bag making material. We can supply you bags, different bags, school bag, lunch box, traveling bags. We can supply you all different sizes. So whatever it is, my WhatsApp number is on the screen, so you can contact me on WhatsApp. Please don't call, just WhatsApp. Don't call, because I may not know you. Just send me a message on WhatsApp that, oh, I'm from YouTube, you subscribe from YouTube, then I will know how we'll talk. So now I've fixed the magnetic snap. See the way I'm fixing it. So I just use my scissors to pierce that space, and then I fix it there. So because I covered it, I've covered it from the other side, so nothing is showing. Can you see? So after fixing it, you will now put the other part. See it? Put the other part and then press it down so that it will give mark to the other side. You fix it and then you press it down a little. So at the mark, so you see the mark, it has appeared on the other side. So I'll just use my scissors to just punch it. Then I will fix the other side of it. If you have watched this extent, thank you and God bless you. So the other video that will be popping up on this video, at the end of this video, please click and watch, and then share to people that you know that they need to learn this bag making. So share to them, let them learn, let them invite your friends to like this channel, to watch our videos, and so that we can all learn together. And any question that you have, any challenge that you have, please don't hesitate to contact us. So thank you for watching. So I will be seeing you in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. Bye for now. God bless you. From Edo Bag Maker Alice K.